Okay, now we are in 7B, 7A. Evaluate this. We have to evaluate, that means we have to express in the simplest form as much as possible. Since we have 4 to the power x here, 4 to the power x here, 4 to the power x here. So we can eliminate 4 power x. If I can take a common down here, then I can eliminate 4 power x from up and down. But the problem is we do not have exactly 4 to the power x here. But what we have, law of indices says, if you have a power and add, we can separate them, right? So I can write down this 3 times 4 to the power x plus 4 power x times 4 power negative 1 over 13 times 4 to the power x. How did I do that? We know that if we have a base a and power x, power y, from 2 bases, I can take 1 base and sum the power, adding the power. If this happened, we can write down this. If this is there, we can write down, we can separate them. Same thing, we have a power in form of addition or subtraction, we can separate into the different power. So this is the same thing, 4 to the power x, 4 to the power negative 1. I am just separating the power into the same base. Equals to, we have a 4 power x here, 4 power x down here. We can take them out, right? We can take a common, 4 to the power x, they are in common. So I'm taking them out. I'm taking a common here, so 3 is left over here, plus 4 power negative 1, which means 1 over 4. 4 power negative 1 means 4 power 1 over 4 over 13 times 4 power x. Now look at here, we have a same thing, 4 power x cancel out, so left over is 3 plus 1/4 over 13, which is nothing more than, you can take out the common now, you can take the LCM in the first, in the upper term, so 4, which is 12 plus 1 over 13, so now 12 plus 1 is 13 over 4 over 13. Now this is a 3-step fractions, this goes down here, we have to consider 1 in the bottom, and this goes down here, and then this is 13 times 1, 13 times 1 over 4 times 13. This and this cancel out, your answer is 1 over 4 is your answer. One little thing you have to understand, here is a 4x, here is a 4x, if I can convert this term into 4 to the power x itself, then we can take out the common. Okay, but we know the law of indices. By using this formula, I can separate the power 4 power x, 4 power negative 1. Now I am taking the common, 4 power x here, 4 power x here. I took out the common. Here is 4 power x gone, so 3 is left, plus 4 power negative 1 means 1 over 4. And bottom part is the same thing. Now look at the interesting part, we have a 4 power x, we have a 4 power x, they are same thing in up and down, so we can cancel them out. So now left over is this, and the bottom is 13. Now take out the LCM in the upper part, I got the 4, 4 times 3 is 12 plus 1 is plus 1 over 4 over 13. Now this is a 3-step fraction, so we can consider 1 in the bottom. So 13 goes down there, and that 1 goes all the way to the top. So that happens 13 times 1 is 13, 4 times 13 is 52, or you can cancel 13 and 13. The leftover is 1 over 4, which is your answer. Thank you.